Hello, myself Sunil R Nair. Here basically we are discussing about another topic, that is city creation. In this basically we are discussing one topic, that is Oxford University words. In this basically we just now basically discuss that basically the Mumbai city basically will never go basically under sea water. Reason basically is Oxford University basically have their words basically. So they know basically which power supply is going to attract sea water and which power supply is not going to attract the sea water. So one of the person asked the question basically, do you know basically in sea water basically lots of missiles basically are dumped. Then he told that yes, that keeps on changing the words basically. Then he told that yes basically. So that data basically the Oxford University have it. Then he told that yes basically the Oxford group basically have it. And due to that water data basically the sea water basically attracts to the Mumbai city and not attracts to the Mumbai city. So one of the person told them basically which kind of power supply basically if the Mumbai city gets, then the sea water basically gets attracts. So one of the person told that basically it might possible that basically human body basically might be attracting, or basically it might be possible that few area basically might be attracting, but it's not sure basically. Reason, it's a sea water and it's just see basically if 80 percentage sea water basically is surrounded with the sorry earth planet is surrounded with the 80 percentage sea water basically. So you can't basically do the calculation also basically of the sea water, that which basically data are creating the problem. But you have the city of the Mumbai city basically, right? You have the data of Mumbai city. So same way one of the person told that basically we are doing the experiment basically. For that basically we have created one Italy city basically. In Italy basically there is one city basically. Which city that basically I also don't know. But it's there basically in Italy only basically. One city is there basically which goes underwater daily. Reason, daily basically change the, they basically change the water, sorry, the water data also, and the uh, human bodies data also, and the power supply data also, and the sometimes basically they change the each and every objects in that city basically, that data also basically they keeps on changing. So like this basically they keeps on doing the experiment. Assume that basically they have done like this around 5 crore 15 lakh combination basically, 5 crore 15 lakh combinations, just taking as an example, and really it's not like that basically. 5 crore, I will take a 5 crore basically, 5 crore will be okay, or 5 crore will be okay. So 5 crore population, 5 crore combination of experiment has been done. Combination means what? Combination equal to water plus sea water plus human foods plus human needs in the cities, in the city, plus all human needs basically, will take the all human needs, all humans in the city. Like this is one combination basically, right? One combination like this. Second combination like this. Third combination like this. Third combination. like this combination basically. Like this there are how many combinations? This many combinations. They have done up to this level combinations experiment basically. Up to this level combinations. So these all are basically the experiment basically of the sea water, which is basically done by the Italy group basically. So this number is basically just taken as an example basically, but in real basically it might be three times than this number basically. They keeps on doing experiment. They keeps on doing the experiment. That's why basically the Oxford group basically say that basically that we have to keeps on doing the experiment. That basically the World Bank basically person basically who is basically currently at the World Bank, he basically is expert in the combination basically, and he is basically good in the mathematics, and basically he is good in the management side also. So that's why he has basically taken. So he basically one of the person told that if he can prepare some management side basically stuff basically, then basically it would be okay. So like for example, to manage this 5 crore combination basically, there might be some software basically. Then he told that yes, basically there might be 100% there might be software, because five more than 5 crore combination to handle basically it's how much it's tough basically. Tough means very tough basically. So it's not practically it's not 5 crore combination to remember. That person basically can't remember it. So software basically is required, and the data basically of 5 crore is going to store in one of the software basically, or one of the database also we can say. One of the person told that software में data store हो सकते हैं. Then he told yes, no, basically why basically we can't store the data in software basically. That is possible basically. The objects basically which you create basically text box equal to 1,000 cities. That basically is software में data. That is in software basically data is there, no basically. Somebody has done basically very high level you can say idea basically. In software basically data basically he has dumped. In software basically he has dumped the data. So text box equal to that more than 5 crore data basically. More than 5 crore data. So you can just imagine basically one of the person told that this is software mein data. So this is software mein data. And database mein data that is basically there. But in software basically data is also there. So this is the example basically. Why basically he might have created this? That basically might be connected with satellite group only basically. And that is connected with the human needs process basically. And this that might be possible that basically this experiment basically might require that text box equal to 1,000 cities data. That's why basically they might have created this. That means somebody know basically that from sea water one day basically the world might get end basically. Because from sea water only basically the land has created. For example, Mumbai city is created from the sea water from the sea water basically. So if Mumbai will in future basically ends, then it will be from the sea water. So this combination basically the Oxford group basically have. Oxford groups have this combination. Oxford group basically have this combination. So in next video basically we are going to see about this Italy sea water and the Mumbai city basically, who are basically directly taken the Oxford University there basically, so that basically in future basically if Mumbai city will get any data basically that will attract the entire sea water, so they can basically easily able to change the each and every data. That's why basically they have taken the Oxford group in Mumbai Land.